Hey guys, welcome to my channel. For today's video, I am going to be making Uzumaki Naruto. I am making this character for my sister's birthday because she loves this character. So, I made one. If you like my videos, turn the subscribe button from red to grey and make sure it shows as subscribed after that. Now it's time for shoutout. If you guys want to shout out in the next video, all you have to do is find the secret word in this video. Enjoy the video and I will come back at the end. And that's it. It was one of my first anime characters that I have ever made. I hope you guys try this one. If you have any doubt or feedback, then feel free to ask it in the comment box. Then see you all with a marvelous video in the next week. Wait, before closing this video, please watch one of these videos too. It helps me out a lot. Have fun!